In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu button to your Wix website, a handy feature that can greatly enhance your site's navigation and user experience. Let's dive right into the process and see how you can easily add this element using the Wix website editor. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have navigated to your site's editor. The Wix website editor is a user-friendly platform that lets you customize your site with ease, even if you're new to website building. It's a great tool to create a visually appealing and functional website without needing expert-level coding skills. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will see various options to enhance and personalize your website. Look for the Add button. This is your gateway to inserting new elements into your site. So go ahead and click on Add Elements. You're now one step closer to adding a new menu button. With the Elements menu open, you'll see a list of options, including text, image, and more. For our purpose, you'll want to click on Decorative, which allows you to work with various shapes and lines to bring more functionality and style to your site. Once there, scroll down until you see Basic Shapes. This section contains various geometric shapes that can be used for a multitude of purposes, including designing a menu button. Next, find the option More Basic Shapes. Clicking on this will expand your options, giving you access to even more design elements that can be tailored to your specific needs. Now, it's time to find the perfect menu button for your site. In the search bar, type the word menu. This will filter the basic shapes down to only those that are applicable to a menu. After browsing the available menu shapes, pick one that aligns with your site's aesthetic and your personal preferences. This is a chance to be creative and choose a design that complements the overall look of your website. Once you've made your choice, the next step is simple. Click on Add to Page. This action will place your selected menu button directly onto your Wix site. With the menu button now on your page, you'll want to customize its function. Click on the button and then select Link. This option allows you to assign actions to the button, like linking to other pages within your site or even external websites. It's an essential step that transforms your button from a mere image into a functional navigation tool. Finally, to give your menu button a polished, cohesive feel, click on Design. This section lets you adjust colors, sizes, and other stylistic elements so that it seamlessly fits into your site's design. And there you have it, a custom menu button added to your Wix website, enhancing both its functionality and visual appeal. Thank you for joining me today, and happy website building!